Alright guys, I just wanted to do a quick video on my rear storage system for the Surf. Most of the wood's been reclaimed from my draw system that was in the back of a Discovery. Hopefully that's going to find a new home soon, but more on that if you want. But yeah, it's got 100 kilogram draw slides and it's been divided into 4. The divides are all removable, so if you want one big long one or have a whole drawer depending on what you're carrying. I've only just made it, so I haven't really decided where everything's going yet, but I've got my recovery equipment in the back and probably have stove and stuff in here, and then this topper. I'm thinking that I could probably cook off the back of here. More on the solar generator in a minute. But yeah, it kind of worked out good. So these cutouts, I didn't actually intend on these. These are just how it was when it was in the back of the Discovery, but it's worked out quite well as little handles, and I can also run wires through them. So on this side, I've actually got my 12 volt outlet there installed, and I've got a 300 watt inverter there. That's to charge up the solar generator. So it basically, if I use the inverter, it charges twice as fast as using just straight 12 volt DC. But yeah, you might be wondering what are these little hinges for and why have you only got one tie down point. Well, this is my fridge slide that I made as well. So the whole thing's designed to be total removable, so the drawer system's only held in by 4 turnbuckles, and then I use the hinges and the pins on the front of on the slide. But I'll get that in now and I'll just show you how it all works. Yeah guys, so when I'm not using the fridge, I've still got my full platform for the dog and stuff, and then it's literally put the pins in, and I'll show you how I get access to the fridge. So that's the front pins in, and you might be wondering why you got a dog lead on your rear tie down. Well, I'll show you this. So to get access to my fridge, I needed to design a tilting fridge slide. Simple solutions, and I can easily get access to everything in my fridge. So this is my power setup in the back. So I've had to wire in a 12 volt outlet there. It's just got a voltmeter and a couple of USBs, quick charge, switch, more importantly, to isolate and turn it off from the battery. And then I've got my 300 watt inverter, which goes to my solar generator charger. The only reason I use that is that it gives it the full 80 odd watt charge, and it can actually charge it to 100%, whereas if I just used direct 12 volt, it'd charge a lot slower and you won't get it up to a full battery. But yeah, this is a solar generator. It's worked out pretty well for us because we use an Oz tent, so we can take this into the tent with us and charge all those devices and stuff in there. And we use this just to run the fridge when the engine's off. I've only just turned the fridge on, but once it's set temperature, it doesn't actually, at the moment it's drawing 40 watts, but that will drop right down once it's at temperature, and it'll only kick on just to keep it cool. So it works pretty well for us. That's what we've got. But yeah, that's it. I hope you like that, guys, and thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you want to know more about the solar generator, and I can give you some more details about that. But again guys, thanks for watching, and I promise you the suspension install soon. I'm just waiting for the tyres. Why is there no Coopers in my size in the UK?